क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि नेटफ्लिक्स पे जब एक ही साथ बहुत सारे लोग वीडियो या वेब सीरीज़ देखते हैं, या इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट या स्विगी जैसी बड़ी कंपनी है जो उनकी जो साइट पे बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक आता है, तो वो क्रैश क्यों नहीं होता? द आंसर इज़ वेरी सिंपल, दैट इज़ Kubernetes. So hello my friends, welcome back to PowerUpCareers. In this video we are going to understand about Kubernetes. Don't worry if you have never worked with Kubernetes. By the end of this video, you will know what it is. So, Kubernetes is a container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized workload. So we have seen like the container orchestration, है ना? So what is container here? You can say container is a lightweight, portable and executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application. इन सिंपल वे, एक कंटेनर ऐसा है जिसके अंदर आपकी एप्लीकेशन को रन करने के लिए हर चीज़ अवेलेबल है और यू कैन डिप्लॉय दैट कंटेनर एनीवेयर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर कैन यू क्रिएट अ Kubernetes cluster? So we have three options. The first one is local environment, or you can say local machines. So if you are learning or practicing Kubernetes, you can create a cluster on your own laptop or desktop using Minikube tool. Now second, we have on-premises options. For example, your organization has its own server or data center, so you can install and manage Kubernetes on their infrastructure, and for this you can use kubeadm and OpenShift. Okay, so the third one is cloud platform, or you can say cloud providers. For production workload you can use managed Kubernetes services like Amazon EKS, Azure AKS, or Google GKE. So be remember this: local for learning, on premises for private infrastructure, and the cloud for production deployment. So I believe you have the idea about Kubernetes now. So in the next video we are going to learn about Kubernetes architecture. So if you found this video helpful to you, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with anyone starting their DevOps journeys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.